Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Astra Ultimate. First, you will need to install and activate the Astra theme and the Astra Pro plugin on your WordPress website. Once activated, head over to your Astra dashboard. This is your central hub for all settings and features. Make sure all recommended plugins are installed to unlock the full power of Astra Ultimate for your site, making your web design journey incredibly smooth. Next, let's choose a starter template. Astra Ultimate offers hundreds of professionally designed templates, giving you a fantastic head start. You can easily filter these by your preferred page builder, like Elementor or Beaver Builder. Once you find the perfect design, simply click to import it. This brings in all the demo content, images, and layouts, saving you hours of work. Now it is time to personalize your website. With Astra Ultimate, editing is incredibly intuitive. You can directly click and type to change any text, swap out images, or embed videos right on the page. Replace all the placeholder content with your own unique brand messaging and visuals. Feel free to adjust page layouts and add new sections to perfectly fit your vision. Finally, let's refine your design and launch your site. You can customize global colors, typography, and header and footer styles to match your brand perfectly. Use the Live Customizer to see all your changes instantly before they go live. Always review your site on different devices to ensure it looks great everywhere. Once satisfied, publish your professional website with confidence for the world to see.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.